Good morning once again, everyone. My name is Juan Hippolyte. We will talk about mindset. Mindset, right? As a Haitian American, right? I was born in Haiti. When I was in Haiti, I had a different mindset, right? My mindset was what? Hey, I was in poor country. Whatever money my dad sent or sent to Haiti, that's all that's all I depended on, right? I used to depend on. Therefore, that's it. My hope was, hey man, when is my dad going to send a few dollars so we can buy a bag of rice, some oil, so we can cook, some food. That's it. Right? I didn't have any aspiration. I didn't have any big dreams, right? When I was in Haiti, I used to think, wow, I think once I'm done with school, I'm going to be a teacher. That's what I wanted to be. I'm like, yeah, that's it. I didn't have any other people to motivate me, any other people to inspire me. Right? When I was in Haiti, I didn't know about any billionaire. I've never seen one. I didn't have the time or have the chance to see one. Right? All I used to see when I was in Haiti was, hey, leave the house, go to school, and see a teacher in front of me. That's what I used to see. So the idea of being a billionaire, the idea of being a millionaire, the idea of being a superstar, it didn't occur to me. I didn't have that type of exposure. You know what I'm saying? But now, living in America, you have all these resources, right? All these libraries, right? You have the internet, you have electricity 24/7, you have your cell phone, so you have all these informations at your fingertip, right? So therefore, you can choose, right? You can choose a different path. Whether you want to be happy, just be married and work a regular job, right? Or you can choose to be a billionaire. You can choose to be whatever you want, right? Probably not a president, since if you were not born in America, you cannot be a president. But today we'll talk a little bit more about mindset, right? Mindset is everything, right? Mindset is everything. I mean, talk to a billionaire, talk to somebody who made it. Whether they're an actor, whether they're a singer, they'll tell you mindset is everything. All right, you become what you think. If you think that you are going to be a doctor, therefore you're gonna do everything possible. Whether you read books, whether you watch movies, whether you go to the hospital for internships, you're gonna do everything in your power to become a doctor, because that's what you want. That's what your mind thinks about, right? It's the same thing. So as a country, right, you have so many young Haitians who are poor, who don't have anything to do. Well, how do you help them change their mindset? That's the big question. Not giving a bag of rice, you know what I'm saying? Not saying, oh, here's $20 every month or every 2 weeks, but how do you help them become leaders, right? How do you help them change their mindset, change their mentality to take actions that will help them get out of poverty? That's the big question. Because the Haitians are capable, right? They are strong. They're not weak. They are strong men, strong women, beautiful women. They can work, right? They can work, but at the same time, is how do you train them, right, to get into the mindset where they will be capable to take actions to change their lifestyle, to change their situations. That's the question. How do you do that? Well, we have so many Haitian leaders, whether it's in the diaspora community, whether it's in Haiti, we have many leaders, but do the leaders understand their job within the society, within the Haitian community, right? Do the leaders have the capability to talk to their people, to communicate the right information? it's not enough to preach to the crowd, right? It's not enough to sing to God, right? But how do we help the population change their mentality, change their mindset so they can become, more action oriented? That's the question. How do you do it? As of today, right, you have a population of Haitians or Haitian American or Haitian whatever they are on Facebook or anywhere on social media, right, where they all talk about change. They all talk about, yeah, we want to help Haiti. You know what I'm saying? They're all preaching something. But at the end, what is lacking is the action. Action. You know what I'm saying? They are not taking action. Why not? I think it is because we become a nation that talks a lot, right? A nation that preaches a lot, right? The nation preaches a lot. But the nation is not action oriented. How do we change that? That's the question. How do we change that? Right? Let's think about it for a minute. So you have a country that is not that big. It's a small country. Everybody knows that. You have so many young Haitian, young men, young women. What prevents them from getting together, clean up the country? Is it because they don't know how to do it? Is it because, they love living in the trash, with the trash and everything? How do you change a mindset, right? How do you turn them into leaders to let them know that, listen, you are a leader. You can do it. You don't have to wait on somebody else to do it for you. That's what leaders do. They take action. They take initiative, right? If they do take initiative, why won't the Haitian leaders in Haiti or who are living outside of Haiti take the initiative to clean up the country? Why won't they take the initiative to plant more trees in Haiti? So when the hurricane comes, so when the flood comes, the land can be protected. Why aren't they doing that? Is it because they don't know? Is it because the mindset is that, hey, let's just wait, the government going to do it for us. Let's just wait, America is going to come and help us when things happen. Let's just wait. The international community is going to send us a few supplies, when the hurricane comes. How do we change that mindset? I think the question is, like I said, it's not, it's not just give a person, a fish, but teach them, that person how to fish for themselves. It is, as a young man, it's hard just to close my eyes and say, you know what? Let me just live my life. Let's forget about Haiti. Let's forget about the Haitian people. You know what I'm saying? As young men, we need to ask questions. We need to question ourselves. We need to question our leaders. We need to question why things are the way they are. Why? Why should the population live in poverty when all the resources, all the knowledge are right in front of them? You know what I'm saying? Back in the 80s, you can say, oh yeah, they don't have the knowledge, they don't have the information. But now, today, Haiti has electricity. They have internet. So they can connect with any information they need to help them get out of poverty. You know what I'm saying? They have so many leadership courses on the internet, in French as well, right? So if they don't understand English, they can understand French, how to be a leader, how to take action, how to take initiative, right? Why are they not doing it? Why will a Haitian or any Haitian watch my video, right, and don't take action after watching my video? This is what I got for you. You know what I'm saying? The idea is as a Haitian or as Haitians, take actions to help your country get out of poverty. Stop waiting on the world to help you out. That's it. It's easy. Take actions, right? Once again, my name is Juan Hippolyte. This was my little video for you. If you like it, share it. If you have comments, please post them. Till next time, we'll talk some more. Bye.